Hey everyone, welcome back or welcome if you're new here. Today we are doing some makeovers. Here are all of the dolls we are working on, minus Tinkerbell. But yeah, as you can see, they are all a little rough. This one right here, she's got this rubber band ponytail happening. This one right here, her hair is a bit of a mess also. This one right here, she's obviously a more modern doll. Her hair is just a little greasy. Other than that, she's not bad. This one, she seems to have gotten a haircut, and she also has this weird, like, glue or something. I don't know what it is, but it's there, and we need to get rid of it. And then this one, her hair is just frizzy, but it shouldn't be too hard to fix. So we will be using some dish soap, fabric softener, some baking soda, and I like to take a toothbrush and mix the dish soap with the baking soda and then scrub the dolls with that mixture. A metal tooth comb, another brush, some hairspray, some hair gel, some water, scissors, a rat tail comb, a hair clip, some rubber bands, and then our heating tools. We have our mini flat iron, our curling iron, and a crimper. And a heat glove to make sure you don't burn yourself. So let's go ahead and let's wash these dolls. I've just got a mixture of water and dish soap and some fabric softener. And then this is the doll with the rubber band in her hair. I took out that rubber band, and I'm just gonna show you the process that I did on all of the dolls, just on this one doll. So what I would recommend is maybe section the hair first. If it's super matted and super tingly, section it first and then try brushing it out. I will, in a minute, section it. And then I'm just starting at the bottom and working my way up, pretty standard. And then I will eventually apply some of that gel to just sort of soften and saturate the hair, and it helps my comb glide through the hair a little better. And then I rinse out the gel, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna do this to all of the dolls. And then once I'm done, I will show you how they look with their hair brushed and tamed and cleaned. Some of them I did just start styling off camera. I apologize. And then I just put them in some outfits, but there is still some work to do. Specifically with this one right here, who I'm holding, her hairline was missing some plugs, so we have to give her a hair transplant. So please forgive me, I'm gonna try my best to explain this, but what I'm doing is I'm taking some small plugs from the back, and I'm using this little needle to help me grab these plugs. And then I'm just wrapping it around my finger, and then I'm ripping it out. And then I made this little threading tool. I just took some thread and threaded it through this needle. And then I'm taking the needle and I am pulling it, pushing it through any hole in the front that I think needs to be filled. And basically with that thread that I put through the needle, I tied it and created a loop. So that way I can use that loop to place some hair through, and then pull the thread through the hole, and the thread will pull the hair through it. I hope that makes sense, but just watch, because I hope that by watching you will understand better what I mean. So yeah. And yeah, you might have noticed I'm separating a lot of these plugs in half and using them wherever I think I need them. And I'm not knotting them because the hair is just a little too short to try and knot. So we will be securing everything with glue afterwards. So just be careful that you don't pull any of the hair out of the head before you glue. Now we're gluing it, and I'm just going to use a little cotton swab to get the glue in all the right places. And then we will set her aside to dry, and we will work on somebody else. So, alright, so for this girl, I just used my mini curling iron, and I tried to create these kind of loose curls or waves with her hair, and I just have this one section left that I still need to do, so I will show you what I was doing. I just started with the curling iron pretty close to the root and just curled everything backward and away from her face. And then I just sort of let the curls fall naturally, and I took my comb and brushed them out, and we'll play around with styling it and shaping it, but that's pretty much it for this girl. She was pretty quick and easy. So now the glue is finally done drying with this girl, so I put her head back on, and now we're just gonna try to clean up the hair and style it. As you see, I did add some extra plugs to the front of her head, and I think it came out okay. And then I just went ahead and styled her outfit a little bit more. I gave her a necklace that my mom actually gave me. My mom got me this entire little set of accessories from Temu, I think it's called. Temu. So thank you, Mom. I love all of these. So yeah, we're just gonna clean her up. I'm gonna snip off some of the ends, the strays, and that's pretty much it for her. And I love this look on this doll. She's just giving me very MTV, 90s, 80s, Janet Jackson, Paula Abdul. I don't know who, but I really love her vibes. So yeah, I hope you guys like her too. So next we have this girl right here. So like I said, I did do all of her hairstyling off camera, and I apologize. I'm new to this, so I'm trying to learn how to do restoring, and having a camera in front of you is just tough, regardless. And so in the future, I will definitely show more of the actual process of getting these hairstyles done. But yeah, what I did was I just took the curling iron and curled it all up and back, and then I picked out this outfit for her. I love it so much. She's giving me such Western vibes, and I love this color for her too. So yeah, we're gonna open this outfit and we will put it on for her. So here she is, all dressed up, and I love it so much. I'm not gonna lie, I was afraid to put the hat on because I did not want to ruin her hairstyle, but here you go. I did put it on for just a minute, and then I took it off. I think that little string that's supposed to go around her neck, it's bothering me. I wish it could be removed, but I don't want to remove it. But yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it for her. I think she's so cute. Let me know your thoughts. And then we've got this girl right here. So yes, I was going for like a blowout type of look. And so I just took my flat iron and I just kind of did this like up and under or up and over type of motion while using the flat iron, and I kind of got this look, and I'm happy with it. I like the flow and the bounce of it, and yeah, I love her volume. I actually kept her upside down overnight. I sprayed her hair with a little bit of water and a little bit of my hairspray and left her upside down, and it gave her some really nice volume and some really nice body. So yeah, I'm very happy with her. And then lastly, we've got this girl right here. So her hair was kind of interesting. It was easy to brush out and smooth out, but the hair underneath is straight, and I wanted to crimp it. So here she is, all crimped. Yes, I did the crimping off camera. I apologize, but yeah, so that's what I did, is I just crimped the hair that was straight, and then I just left the hair that was already crimped how it was, because it did survive the brushing and everything. Those crimps stayed in place, so I didn't want to mess with them. And then I gave her this hairstyle because lots of Barbies from this mid 90s had this hairstyle, and it looked like her hair was parted to have this hairstyle. So yeah. Now, like I said, I did the crimping off camera, but I do want to show you something. So I got this model right here, and I will crimp her hair just to sort of show you, give you an idea of what I did. Basically, I just got her hair wet, and then I brushed through it, and then I sectioned it off, and then I put some of my gel on the hair, and then I just went ahead and started crimping it. Now, I did crimp the ends first, just as a test. Otherwise, I was starting starting from the top and working my way down, and that's pretty much it. And then, yeah, once I was done, I just combed out the hair. You can add more product if you want, and then you can let it dry, and yeah, this was it. So these are all my girls. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, I am new to this, so I hope to continue doing this and get better footage of me doing it and better footage of the process. So yeah, and definitely give me tips. Definitely let me know what you would have done with these dolls and how you would have styled them and what tricks you would have used on them. And yeah, thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you all next time. Bye.